Hi everyone, this Canvas 2 model home located in our Belterra community is for sale and includes 2 bedrooms plus a home office, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's go check it out. As you step in, you'll find this gorgeous epoxy flooring that you'll find throughout the first floor of the home. And as we make our way through the great room, you'll notice stickwood accent walls behind the television that really complement this massive brick accent wall that also features a 9-foot sliding glass door. And as we make our way into the kitchen, you'll find this extended kitchen island that features quartz countertops, these beautiful natural finish cabinets, an upgraded backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a spacious pantry, and a powder bath. Now follow me upstairs. As we make our way to the top of the staircase, you'll step into this spacious home office that's connected to a full bathroom and a bedroom. And as we leave the home office, you'll pass by additional cabinets for extra storage, plus a spacious laundry room. Now check out this spacious master bedroom that features surround sound speakers, and you're just steps away from this amazing master bathroom that features a large step-in shower, a tiled-in tub, dual sinks with quartz countertops, and these beautiful natural finish cabinets. Plus you have this extended walk-in closet that's every fashion lover's dream. Check out this incredible backyard that features low-maintenance, water-wise landscaping and also the perfect sitting space and gathering area. The possibilities truly are endless. This Canvas 2 model home features 2 bedrooms plus a home office, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Plus it includes tons of designer features and upgrades that you're gonna love. Contact our Belterra sales office for more information. And from this spacious master bathroom, that features a beautiful tiled-in tub.
It's not a tub.
It's flip-flopped! Okay.